I messed up, okay? I messed up, all right? Why I stopped juicing celery is, you know, I'm human. I'm just like you guys. I'm like everybody else. You know, I wanted to, you know, go out. I've been juicing celery for so long. I've been on juice cleanses. I've been doing all these things, and I wanted to go out. I want to go out with Alison. I want to eat some, you know, vegan, gluten-free, amazing food, you know? And it's been like a whole weekend of that, and now my digestion is not the best. So where am I? Right back to this beautiful celery juice. Mwah. So I stopped juicing celery because I thought my digestion was on point. I thought you know, everything was good, and you know what happened? I slipped up, you know, and I think a lot of people are experiencing the same benefits like me. It's like when you feel good and you're on top of your game, it's like that's when you start eating, you know, a little bit more processed food. You start eating some more comfort foods that you might not be available to you. And yes, I did it. I went. We had the burgers, we had the fun, vegan, fast food, and it was great. It was a great experience. No regrets. And I'll be the first to admit, you know, I messed up. My digestion is not the best. To be honest, I've been feeling indigestion now for like 3 or 4 days. You know, I can feel some like undigested food. That hydrochloric acid is gone. I need to build it back up. Oh, yeah, the hydrochloric acid is gone, and I need to build it back up. So I just got back from the store. We're gonna juice a whole 16-ounce head of celery right now, and let's get back on track. All right, everybody, cheers to getting your digestion on point. Cheers to Medical Medium. Thank you so much, Anthony William. You are seriously absolutely inspiring. If you don't know about Medical Medium yet, you need to check out his page. I'll link everything in the description below. You guys gotta have your celery juice. You gotta take control of your life. It's all about natural and sustainable solutions, okay? Celery juice is the cure to healing your gut. I mean, it's just that simple. Cheers, everybody, cheers.